I know you successfully registered on the BOOMLIVE app and you want to begin, and you know that the first thing you have to do is your facial authentication, but it's not working for you. If you can see this while you try to apply for your facial authentication or try to authenticate or verify your account, you don't need to panic at all. I'm going to tell you why you see that and what you need to know. Ever since I introduced the new live streaming app called BOOMLIVE, I have not rested. Is it the comments? Is it the questions on my DM every day? I didn't envisage that particular video is going to gain so much traction. I think that video is currently at 3,000 views, if I'm not mistaken. Now imagine the crowd of people that I have to attend to every day. In fact, that's why I even had to come to record this video, because there is another issue now on ground that a lot of you you are bombarding my DM with screenshots. So I say, if I don't come and tell you guys about the issue on YouTube, I don't think that message will stop coming. Guys, it joke. It's not easy. I know you successfully registered on the BOOMLIVE app and you want to begin, and you know that the first thing you have to do is your facial authentication, but it's not working for you. I believe you have seen this message when you try to apply for your facial authentication. Calm down. Calm down. There's no need to panic. Like, I even went ahead to address you guys in on the Telegram community, telling you the reason and all that, but yet I'm still seeing messages on my DM. Jessica, I cannot do my facial authentication. If I open the group for coin like this, you just see someone just drop a message. Hi Jess, I don't know why my facial, but I've already answered you guys on Telegram yet. So that's when I said I think I have to make a video where you see me speak about it and tell you the issue. Probably you will understand, because I can't attend to every one of you coming to my DM for facial authentication issue, while others are coming for agency, while others are coming for coin. I'm only one person. I'm not a robot. You guys should have mercy. Some of you got hungry and you were like, I don't longer want to join your agency. I want to leave your agency. You cannot attend to your message. I've been here. If you don't want to respond, let me know. Imagine responding to 500 people at a time, and I'm typing, hands are aching. That is why I even told you guys in a previous video to ask your questions in the comment section, and I've been responding to a lot. So imagine you are diverting the attention from YouTube to WhatsApp. I'm now coming to YouTube, going to WhatsApp. It's not actually easy. That is what I want you guys to understand. So if you see me talk about an update on YouTube and I say watch to the end, that's true. I also want to bring up this issue before I discuss the facial authentication. When I say watch this video to the end, fine, it's for my benefit, but it's also for your benefit. Why did you come to my video? Why did you click on my video in the first place? It's to derive value, right? You want answers to your questions. So why then would you come to my video and then probably watch 1 minute and it's a 10 minutes video, and then you then rush because you saw my content on YouTube, you then rush to my DM, Jess, how do I get started on this app? I needed to point this out. Please always watch the YouTube videos. What if I've answered it in that video and you don't know? That is why it's very important for you to watch the video to the end. I keep screaming it in all videos. Watch this video to the end, because I want you to get all the necessary information that you need. That's the essence of this tutorial video in the first place. Alright, so I do not do any online or one-on-one individual coaching on my DM. Sometimes I don't even like putting my number here, because I know a lot of you will still bombard my DM. Alright, so that's by the way. Anytime you see any video, because I'll be making more tutorial videos on this new live streaming app that has been so sweet ever since I introduced this live streaming app. A lot of you that have withdrawn from the live streaming app can testify to this, so let me not just say anything here. But if you're yet to get started, all right, I'll leave the link below to the first video, just in case you came across my channel for the first time through this video. Please go and watch other videos. All right, do not just watch this one and say how do I get started, or come to my WhatsApp and say how do I get started. I created a playlist where I'm going to like add all videos in one place. That's the Boom live stream tutorial videos. Okay, so how to become an agent, I'll make a video. Other videos, other tutorial videos on how to get started, how to perform your tax, I've done those ones, and I will do more. Just do not hesitate to take the link to the playlist to watch those videos. All right, before you send me any DM or before you ask your questions. And if you have questions, leave your questions in the comment section. All right, so fine, I've finished complaining, but I cannot be ungrateful. That's just the truth. I have complained, but it's time for me to be grateful. I just really want to appreciate you guys. I see your hand, because without you, this channel will be stagnant, obviously. You guys are the reason for this channel's growth. All your likes, all your comments, all your shares, all your views are not taken for granted. So far, making videos on this Boom Life has brought some reasonable amount of traction to my channel. And apart from the views, even subscribers, I believe in the past 1 week that I introduced this live streaming app, I've gained over 300 to 400 subscribers in less than 1 week, and that's quite amazing. So if you're new, you're just joining us for the first time, probably through this Boom live streaming app, I want to specially welcome you guys. Welcome to my channel. And just in case you just seen this face for the first time, my name is Jessica and you're welcome. Don't mind me that I'm smiling, I'm just so excited. I'm excited to have you guys, and especially my returning subscribers or returning viewers. Of course, I will not forget you guys. All of you are so important to me, and we are like one big family. So happy to have you all here. And I see your likes, I see your comments, I see your shares. Those who are recommending or referring people to my channel, you guys are all amazing. Why do you guys love me this much? Anyways, I love you guys too. Thank you for all you do. I have to appreciate you guys, okay? Even though I'll complain that you guys can't be, So anyways, you're welcome to the channel. If you don't know what we do on this channel, here on my channel, I bring to you weekly videos on the latest trends in the online space. Is it online secrets, online updates, videos on how to make money online legitimately? Every single thing in the online space that works for me, I bring it to you guys all for free. So if this type of content resonates with you, you are interested in something like this, all you have to do is to join us, okay? And then you're not paying anything to join us. You just have to hit the subscribe button and turn on that little notification bell. Why do you need to do this? Anytime I upload videos, if you have your notification bell turned on for my channel, you'll be the first to get a notification when that video goes live on YouTube, so you don't miss out that interesting or secret updates that I have for you. All right, so let me talk about the facial authentication before some of you come at me in the comment section that I've been talking too much and I've not said anything about the facial authentication, which is what you want to hear. Okay, so don't come at me, okay? So when you complete your account registration on the Boom live streaming app, and maybe you have successfully joined my agency, and you head to the live streaming section to try to complete your facial authentication, and you see something like the level is insufficient, I believe you must have panicked, right? That must have scared you. Maybe Boom Life have already crashed. But the truth is that no, recently Boom live stream has been getting popular. All right, and look at making a YouTube video about the Boom live streaming app is adding to that. So a lot of people are joining the live streaming app rather, and this can cause so many glitches to their system. In fact, if you did not join us earlier enough, like when I introduced this app to you guys on YouTube, you might miss a lot of free opportunities that we had back then. All right, that was, I think, 5 to 6 days ago, because Boom Life is now like introducing new policies because of all this stuff. A lot of people are coming to the platform and they don't want to lose on their end. They want you to earn, but they don't have to lose trying to help you to earn. So they are changing a lot of policies. That is why I do tell people, when you see me drop an update, rush it, because things can change. It's bound to happen. All right, so that's why you're experiencing this facial authentication issue. It's not a big problem, and according to the admin, because we complained to the admin at the top, that's the Boom live stream main admin, and they said that the system is choked. Guys, it choke just like you guys are choking myself with your messages on WhatsApp. So you guys have to be patient. They said they're going to resolve it today. All right, hopefully. I understand that you want to complete your newbie task, but there's something I found out about this newbie task, but I'm not going to share it here. So join our Telegram community. I'll leave the link below, and I will tell you, just you that is going to join the Telegram community. So I believe you are scared that you won't be able to complete your newbie task. Probably one day will be gone and stuff like that. I understand, but I believe they're going to do something about it so you don't miss out that day that you were not able to complete your newbie task. So guys, you don't have to worry. Hopefully by the end of today or before the end of today, everything will be resolved, everything will be back to normal, and then you can live stream and then collect your money. You know what I'm saying? So guys, just do not panic. All right, I had to come to tell you guys this week. If not, some of you that watch the other videos and then try to register, try to do official notification, will still come to YouTube comment of that video to say stuff. So I will drop the link to this video to in those videos, so that those that watch that one might, hopefully they will see this one. Okay, and you guys that are sharing this platform to your friends can also share my videos so everyone knows what's up. And I'm going to be updating you guys frequently on our community, be it WhatsApp or Telegram. Do well to join. Some of you did not join and you're coming to my DM. Please, it's no easy. So just join the community so I can address everyone at a go. Do you understand? Not that I will have 50,000 people on my DM and then I will just have 1,000 on Telegram community. How do I want to do it now? You have reason now. So guys, join. And for those that are registering, I remember the first video, there were so many errors I made there because it's a new platform and I was just learning it. So I've tried to correct some things, but I want you to know that if you want to join the agency, you can do that on your own. And yes, my agency ID was wrong in the first video. I corrected it in the comment section. So many people didn't even see it, so I will drop it here again. This is my correct agency ID. When you click the link to become a host, I'll be leaving it below here. It will redirect you to a place where it says join my agency, and if they say you should put my ID, put this ID, but they don't say you should put my ID. It says you should request to join. Just request to join. I'll just approve you from my end, okay? And to those of you that are aspiring to become an agent, there is a link for that as well, and I intend to make a proper video explaining how the agency stuff works. Anticipate that video, okay? Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss it. All right, if you want to become an agent, some of you are even asking me what's the difference between an agent and a host. I'll get to explain it in that video. So if you would like to become an agent, you have this experience of becoming an agent on all the live streaming apps like Popo, all those nice live streaming apps, come and become an agent here. All right, so you can earn commissions for your host activities. There is a lot I need to even tell a lot of you, because some of you just come and meet me and say you want to become an agent. Do you think it's easy? Mind you, if you become an agent and you don't have any host to recruit into your agency, you won't earn shishi. If you think there is money there, you only earn real money when you have hosts that are active, actively performing their tasks, actively doing all the necessary that they have to do on the app. Okay, so just take the link in the description or comment section to become an agent if you are interested. And if you like to play games on the app too, there is a link for that. I'll leave everything in the description and comment. The description of this video and comments. All right, the description is underneath the title of this video, and then the comments, the first pinned comment, you see everything there. So always check it before you rush to my DM. And if you would like to get started on this app, you like to join us to make money on this app, I will also leave a link to register an account or download the app in the pinned comments. Do well to check it. I believe I've addressed all I need to address in this video, right? Or is there anything that I've missed out on? If I've not answered your question, perhaps you have something to ask me, please ask in the comment section, and you guys are the one I will respond to very fast, those that are leaving their questions in the comment section. All right, so I believe that's all, guys. If this video has been helpful to you, you've gained something from this video, do well to like this video now. Give the video the like it deserves, okay? Join my Telegram and WhatsApp community. That's where I'll be updating you all about the facial authentication, everything you need to know about BOOMLIVE. All right, and when I need to make videos, I'll make them and then put them on YouTube. Before I go, there's one last thing I would like to say. Just note that there are people out there that will send you a message just to tell you all manner of lies about this BOOMLIVE streaming platform. But if you would like to hear the pure truth, okay, from someone who is willing to tell you the truth, you listen to everything I have to say to you, be it on WhatsApp, be it on Telegram, be it on my YouTube tutorial videos. Okay, you see, the reason why I'm taking time to say all these things in this video is very important, so you don't get scammed out there, because there are agents out there that cannot work for their own agency's growth, that will just see any random user on the app and then they will tell you, oh, come and join my own agency, I will show you how everything works. You don't just join anybody's agency, because there are people that are out there that would hardly release you from their agency. Like the one I'm doing recently now, I've been removing some people from my agency, giving them the opportunity to become agents. So many people out there will not remove you from their agency. So just mind the agency that you are joining, and do not respond to strangers' messages from the live streaming app, from anywhere, even my community that you are about to join. All right, do this so you don't fall victim to any scam, okay, and then their lies. All right, that's all I have to say, guys. Do well to share this video to your friends. Tell everybody about my YouTube channel, tell everybody about this update, and you can then redirect them to come and watch all my YouTube tutorial videos. Okay, so I guess that's it. Let me just go and attend to you guys, because if you see my notification that is just ringing out there, it is well. So guys, leave your questions down below. I'll see you guys in the next elite tutorial video. Bye for now.